T-Mobile Home Internet delivers service via cellular towers to your gateway device. Billing is monthly, typically contract-free with auto-pay discounts. Plans offer unlimited data, but usage beyond 500 to 1,000 GB may be deprioritized. Your bill details data consumption, taxes, and credits. Check the T-Mobile app or website for clear breakdowns, now enhanced with AI-driven assistance for payment reminders and personalized payment plans. Installation fees are generally waived for new customers, and equipment leasing is included. Look out for T-Mobile's Gateway Ultra series for improved coverage. During service outages, temporary billing adjustments and credits may apply. Stay informed about your data usage to avoid unexpected throttling. You can pay your T-Mobile Home Internet bill via the T-Mobile app, website, or authorized third-party apps like PayPal or Venmo. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay are also supported. While physical checks and in-store payments are accepted, they may cause delays. Set up autopay for a discount. Late payments incur a $5 fee after a 7-day grace period and service suspension after 30 days. Opt for paperless billing to avoid a $2 monthly fee. Bundling your home internet with your T-Mobile mobile plan can also lead to significant discounts. Remember to proactively use the AI billing assistant in the T-Mobile app to manage your payments and avoid late fees.